Hi, I'm William Tenholder, and I welcome you to my Masters 2000 series. And as we all know, chess is very complicated, yet some of the players on the board make it look so easy. It's like a great surfer surfing a big wave. And they catch the perfect wave and they just make it look easy. But it's not. And so I'm going to show you in my bullet format how we play. It's the check perk. So the check perk is a fabulous opening for black. And we're going to go ahead at speed. You see how it just gives black a very nice position. So let's take a look at the knight on f6 made one move, right? Okay, let's just see how easy this game can be. The knight is still on f6, and there are tricks and traps and queen exchange, and so we just look at this at bullet format, how, the rooks are doing their work. The bishop, I mean, there are beautiful tricks and traps here. You can always pause, go back, look at them. But I am fascinated that in the end of this game, you'll see how, with all the tricks and traps going on, and that was an important move by the king, of course. King had to get close so it doesn't lose the bishop. And yeah, that's a beautiful trick there too. Beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. Really nice tricks and traps. Beautiful game. Beautiful game. But now we're looking at the knight on f6. It's just riding the perfect wave with all of the beautiful tricks and traps. I mean, it's a fascinating game. I mean, my opponent was playing really well, and I appreciate that, And so finally, the knight is still on f6. Finally, it moves. It makes a move. What a beautiful move, because now it makes the ultimate move. It's excuse me. It's a beautiful move. Yes, it is. And the knight finally makes its sacrifice. It traveled around in a little circle. It rode on a beautiful wave. But it allowed the pawn to escape and become a queen. Wow. How beautiful. Then, of course, my opponent resigned. What a beautiful game. I'm William Tenholder, and I really love chess.